Have you ever noticed how often babies hiccup, even when nothing seems wrong? My kid asked me this, and the reason is surprisingly simple. Before birth, babies practice breathing movements inside the womb. Those tiny diaphragm spasms can continue after they're born, and we see them as hiccups. Hiccups in babies are usually harmless. They're often just a sign that the nervous system is still learning how to coordinate breathing and swallowing. So those frequent hiccups aren't usually discomfort. Sometimes they're simply a quiet sign that a baby's body is still growing and practicing how to live outside the womb.